In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditions in Jotform. Whether you're creating a simple form or a more complex one, understanding how to add conditions can enhance the user experience by making your form smarter and more dynamic. So let's dive into the process and see how you can make your form respond intuitively to user inputs. First things first, you'll need to open the form you want to work on. So, log into your Jotform account and navigate to the form you're interested in editing. Once the form is open in the editor, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the menu bar. Here you'll see a tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on this to open up the settings options for your form. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page. Here you'll find a list of options, one of which is labeled Conditions. By clicking on this, you'll open up the Condition settings, which is where you can start adding the logic that your form will follow. Now, after accessing the Conditions tab, you'll notice a button that says Create Condition. This is your gateway to making your form as responsive and interactive as you need it to be. Clicking on this will allow you to begin setting up your condition. Once you've clicked on Create Condition, you'll be presented with several different types of conditions you can create. The first type you might consider is the Show Hide field condition. This is particularly useful if you want to display or hide certain fields based on a previous answer. For example, if someone answers yes to a question about subscription interest, you can choose to show additional fields to gather more subscription-related information. Another type of condition you can create is Skip to Page. This feature is incredibly helpful for longer forms, ensuring that your users don't have to navigate through irrelevant pages based on their specific answers. It allows your form to jump directly to a relevant section, saving your users time and making the form filling process more efficient. Lastly, there is the Calculate Value condition. This is ideal if your form includes calculations, such as a quiz with a scoring system, or a form that handles financial information like order totals. By setting this condition, you can automatically update fields with calculated values based on user inputs, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. By carefully selecting and applying these conditions, you can greatly enhance the overall functionality and user experience of your form. Take your time to consider which conditions will best serve the purpose of your form. And remember, once these